On team number 3, 5-time world champion. Give a big round of applause for team Mikaele Auoi.
Let's go!
Ole Mauga Mu, ewa mumu fa asolo mai Samoan. Ole Mauga Mu, olo malo siwa atoto. Ole Mauga Mu, olo malo siwa atoto. Ole Mauga Mu.
Come on, kids, come sit down. I'm going to tell you a story. Move closer. Okay, you guys ready? All right. Auoi Ta Fefe, a well-known Samoan chant that many have heard and sung, yet very few know the weight it carries and the painful history of how it came about. In the stillness of the night, a volcanic eruption in the big island of Savai'i called Mount Matavanu had erupted on August 4th, 1905, causing an uproar of heat and distress as villagers were awakened and scurried away to safety. The lava ferociously spread, burning and destroying everything in its path. A large area of land in the Mauga district was covered in lava. The molten spread like wildfire, giving no warning and no mercy. The Saleaola village was covered with the loss of plantation and village fales. Faleo'os were nowhere to be seen, but complete darkness. The life they knew was no more. But what remained was the burial site of the village Taupo and the structure of a Lamosa church, giving hope and a reminder of God's grace. The chant depicts the tragic suffering that the lava caused on the villages affected and the villagers left without a home. It was believed that this eruption was caused by the people within those affected villages that had begun to neglect the Sabbath, the sacred Asusa, meant for rest, worship, and honoring God. Instead, it became a time for villagers to labor and become distracted by the things of this world. It resulted in many of the villagers being far from God.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Mauga Mu presents the chaos and disruption of the lava that flowed from 1905 to 1911 and the villagers enduring fight for the lava to stop. A brutal 6-year battle that birthed the chant, Auoi Ta Fefe, Auoi Ta Fefe. Mauga Mu! Mauga Mu! Auoi, ai. Auoi, ai. Malone Shiva, Malone go.
story is in Matthew chapter 6, verse 33. But seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things will be added unto you. May we be reminded and encouraged to honor God and seek his kingdom above all things. Samoa, fa'avai leatua.